sharpness too, like plenty of levels for it. Get sharpness 2. You can iron.
Maybe should I do bark?
Totally should have gotten more iron too. Always comes back. I'm not really doing anything. Oh, come on, now where's all the iron I need? Keep this on me since it's better. Come on, pick it up. Oh, holy crap. Yeah, way more likely. Now I don't know where I should. Something for sure though. Oh, more people are fighting. There we go. Set this one to be double E. String. Oh, why did you drop string? Jerk. I don't want to damage this up too much. Ravines are all the way back up. Iron. I just need one. I just need one iron. All I need. People have the same houses regularly. I'm just like running around the same area over and over. Going back to get stuff that I missed. Lessons to be learned here. Get all the iron. Oh. I did not cut this down. Somebody. Well, dirt's grass now, so I guess this wasn't too easy. I probably had to right by some of these things anyway. Oh, this kid. ridiculous. Return the iron down here. Yep. Where it is. Getting all these settings. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm on for. I'm changing mistakes. Just show that mistakes made. The rest of this carry. Wow, stupid waste of experience as well. Sharpness 1. Sharpness 1. There's 2. A couple more levels for sharpness 3. What? I burned all that. Screwed up my concern. I need to check this whole thing. Yeah, this. What if that's something? Mistakes made. Can't take that. He should get me there, I think. I don't think I've ever survived this long in a solo game. What is this episode? Yeah, I don't even know anymore. Oh god. What is here, isn't it? That was in this cave, oh, that's where he got the game. That would have been so good. There you are. Yes. 14 Denki King. Oh, this one people don't have bows. I think I should be okay. What am I at? 13. I think about half the people have died. I don't want to go to 0-0. Yeah, 0-0 is directly displays me. I'll get a little closer. I don't really see what else to do besides look for people. Sharpness 3, iron. Somebody's gotta be camping it out though. What if they have bows? Screwed. Let's see. They have basically everything of importance. My hotbar, PvP. Shouldn't take me. I don't even know why it's called Skype. Episode 5. Attack's not ready. I don't know when neither goes. I want to clean up because that's probably the only way I can defeat all of these guys. They're kind of weird. I do have 2 gapples for healing, so it will get me up to 17, and the second one will get me to. Oh, here's my little hole. What else to do, guys? I guess I could try to get a bow. Yeah, that's gonna be my goal. Try and get a bow. 6 arrows only, but bow could save my life. So I'll find some spiders. Sure. I probably would have killed that one in the cave, but I didn't feel like taking on a creeper at the same time. It's not really a good strength from the first one I killed. And I'm not finding any mobs at all. More golden stuff again. I wish Nether was on. Well, I'm just gonna this was a diamond sword though, probably wouldn't even have sharpness 3, but still a sharpness 3 diamond would definitely kill somebody. Where am I? Oh yeah, pizza's good. I don't think pizza's that good. I think pizza's more. What's a pizza at? Where's pizza on the tab? Oh, pizza left. I don't even know if pizza will be like this, so. For whatever reason, pizza. Is this just a lava pool? Yeah. Someone's here. Someone's gotta come. Someone's over there. God. I don't have that feeling that someone's gonna be there. Someone's gonna get this feeling. They're in there. As I get closer to you, another lava. I don't know. How many spiders? It's a torch. Torch right here. I don't think this is last one. No, too close to 0, 0 to be a spawn. Wonder when those were placed and why. Probably from recent because they didn't go and explore that cave. Oh, I found the 0, 0. That's 7 gold. I just need one more and I could make it. I cannot insert this here anyway. I need to. This is gonna be such a. This is such a stupid. Somebody's there, I know it. I'm getting away. I want to know when I have to be here. Nobody's answering me, of course. I don't want to go there. I have a bow, but I can't find freaking spiders.